Higher Educational Institute Singna Management Skill Mapung Phana Leibagi Tangai Phadaba Lei haina Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendra na phongdorakli. Manipur University ki UGC Malavia Mission Teacher Training Center na sinduna Manipur University ki Court Hall da numit 6 ni chathagadaba short term course ama hongdokpagi thauramda wafam asi mahakna phongdokhibani. Managerial Skill Development for Professional Excellence of Officer and Faculty Member of Higher Education Institutions haiba hiram asida chathagadaba course adu hongdokpagi thauram aduda mahakna makhatana hai asigumba short term course ama paikhatlakpa haibasi yamna matang chaba amane competition gi chang wangkhatlakpaga iroinana higher education gi institute singda mahai tamliba mahairoi singna luchingba ama oibagi miyenga loinana decision making anoba wakhalon puthokpa amadi financial management gi hai singba asi changdaba yarakte course asina asigumba skill sing asi mahairoi singda leihannaba hotnabada chawna mating panglagani haiki thauram aduda UGC Malavia Mission Teacher Training Center ki Director Professor R.K. Bhubon amadi RIMS ki Department of Psychiatry ki Professor Dr. R.K. Lenin amadi Research and Development Cell ki Director Professor C.H. Ibohal Maitaisu Sarpyaki.
Since all of you represent some categories of the institution or the other that have just narrated, it's mandatory for all of you, it's necessary for all of you to understand what is the category of the institutions that you are in. And therefore, you have to have some kind of a command or understanding of the norms that that institution or that university or that medical college or nursing college, are. Because unless and until you have a sufficiently good grounding on the kind of norm, liberals, employment norms, RR, then reservation norms, salary norms, then how to set the system of, giving penalties in all these institutions, you will not be able to effectively manage and control your institutions that you are controlling.